Hi, I'm Tim from Pool Builders Pool Shop, and following up today with our video about pH, I just want to talk to you guys in regards to a product called Alkalinity Up, or better referred to as buffer. So acid plays a role in the pH on one part and buffer plays the other. Now these two together create the combination to keep the pH perfect in the pool and stop it from doing what's called pH bounce. So if you get a heap of rainfall or a bunch of bodies in the pool swimming around in summer, the pH has a tendency to fluctuate like crazy, up or down, if one of these products aren't working together pretty much. So let's say you've been to the pool shop, you've got your test done, your alkalinity is coming up at around 70 parts. Low, not too low, but just past the spectrum. So on this example, we have an 8 by 4 meter pool with roughly 48 to 50,000 litres. The conversion table is 200 grams per 10,000 litres. So 50,000 litre pool, so 10 times 5. Then we've got 200 grams times 5 equals a kilo. So 1 kilo of buffer is going to bring this pool up 10 parts. So to get it from 70 to let's say 80 or 90, we need to add roughly a kilo or 2 of buffer to the pool. Now adding it to the pool, we put it into a bucket, we water it down and we stir it around and we apply it straight to the pool. And that'll bring up the alkalinity in the water and help along with your pH to make sure everything's running beautifully. Now for more hints and tips, you can contact us on our messenger on our website, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for further more.